Up next, we have someone who's actually a Portuguese local. So he's one of the few people who actually drove to the conference instead of flying to the conference. We have Mitchell from Immunefi who's going to be talking about bug bounties. And a fun fact, like always, Mitchell is a chocolate addict. So given that he's a local, if you're looking, you might have a sweet tooth or something tonight, you might want to hit up Mitchell. So please welcome Mitchell.
Okay. This working? 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Okay, so first things first. A big crowd, overwhelming. But first things first, it's true, I am a chocolate addict. I do know all the best chocolate brands in Portugal. So if you ever want recommendations, I can give you the best that wonderful Portugal has to offer. Now, for those of you who remain, we have an exciting topic. We're going to talk about how Immunefi created the world's biggest bug bounties. And that is not